Hello. Yeah, now we will be learning how a count a function works. So, in the last video, I we have seen how count works. So, count function will be counting the number of numericals. Means the count of numericals in a range or manually entered or in an array or in multiple ranges. Now here we will be seeing what count a does. So this is the value of this condition using count. So now I am just using count a for the sake. A6 to A10. You can see count a, it is selected, it is coming as 5, but whereas in count it came as only 4. So the difference why it is, this cell is the difference. Here this is not a numerical value, so that is why count is not, in count it is not counted, but in count a this will be counted. This cell is actually a blank text. We are giving a blank text, that is in double quotes we are giving a blank text. So in count a this is also getting counted. So next is a6 to a15. So here it is coming only 6. You can see after this 4, this 73 is 5th and 19 is 6th, so that is where 6th is coming. So now let's write count a. Yeah, count a 6 to 15. So I have written 6 to 15. Here it is coming 10. So what happens is, this up till here it is 5. So this remaining 5 everything is counted. So how it is, this is a text. So text, we already know text is getting counted, even the blank text got counted. So text got counted. So this is a error, where naming error. So this naming error is also getting counted, and then here it is a match, means error not error, uh, a not found error. So that is also getting counted. In If we are using count a, everything will be getting counted except only one thing. Like for example, if this cell I am coming here and I am removing it, means an empty cell is there, then that will not get counted. Means it was 5 here till now it became 4. It was 3, it was 4 here, it became 3. An empty cell will not be counted using anything. So here also I am just removing, is getting counted. But same time, if it is a blank text, not an empty cell, means under two quotes nothing is there, a blank text, but that will be getting counted. You can see it is getting counted. So here also it is empty cell, I am just giving blank cell. From 4 it became 5 again. You can, yeah. So I hope you understand what, how count a function works and where you can use count a.